Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02302 error in Oracle database 12c. So I am going to create one type. So I am going to create one type. This is the query to create the type. Let me execute that query. ORA-02302 invalid or missing type name. So what is the problem here is, in the SQL query you can see create type, that's it, create type is alone there, no type name is mentioned. So I am giving the type name. So I am giving the type name now. Create type emp obj as object. So now I am correcting the SQL query. So this is a correct SQL query to create the type. You can see type is created. So this is a fix for ORA-02302 invalid or missing type name.